Alright guys, so do you want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new portable power station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off reviewed, so let's go and take a look at it. They're definitely handy to have. Portable camping light. Looks like the power cables for it, which is type C to type C. You get the instruction manual. And then the actual portable power station right there, check that out. Very cool. I love that it already comes with a handle on it. Just carry it wherever you need. Indoor, outdoor use. Let's power it on. So you can see it's got an LED letting you know exactly how much battery you have. So that way before you leave, you know exactly how much you're leaving with. So if you need to charge it the night before, anything like that, you're ready to go. It has two Type-C ports right here, so where you can charge your devices, and then two regular USB-A ports. The Type-C ports charge at 100 watts, which is super fast charging, and then these two charge at 18 watts. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. I do want to take out the camping light out as well. So cool. Power it on, check it out. That's pretty bright. So what's cool is this can literally just hook up to right here, to the top of that, and you're good to go. Able to charge it there, or you're able to charge it here. You're like, now this could be like your one-stop shop. Have your light and then also charge your device as well. And as you can see, you are also able to either hang this from somewhere or carry it from here, however you like. But very, very cool spotlight. So the button is right here, control it. Different modes on there. Even though I do have it pretty bright, as you can see, you can still see how bright it can get. Put that back. I just like that it snaps on there. Very cool. Power this back on. And it does let you know right there that it is charging. I don't know if you can see, but it is green. So let's go and actually hook up some items to this. All right, so first we'll start off with charging my iPad. So we'll use one of the fast Type-C chargers. Make sure that's on. Boom. There it is. And as you can see right here, it'll let you know how many watts it's actually pushing out of that port. So now we'll go ahead and actually plug in our Nintendo Switch. There you go, it's charging up. And same thing there, it's letting you know how many watts it's pushing out, and as well as the amount of time that you have left on the device before you need to charge it again. Now let's actually try the USB ports. So we'll plug in my Apple Watch. There we go. And then on the last USB port, we'll go ahead and plug in our phone. There you go. So as you can see, starting all four devices at once, it lets you know all of the wattage outputs that it's doing, as well as the amount of time that you still have left on it. It is charging the camping light as well. So like, let's turn that on as well. Just like that. Very compact, very lightweight, but very powerful. So whether you're going camping indoor or you're using it somewhere indoor or outdoor, it's still very useful. Now let me show you what it looks like once you're actually charging this device itself. If you're using the provided charger here, it'll last about 1.5 hours to get it to about 80%, and then 2.5 hours to get it to that full 100%. So not very long at all. So let's go ahead and charge this up. All right, so now let's actually charge the device itself. As you can see, it'll give you an estimated time right on there. So as you can see, it's dropping down in time. And you can actually plug it into both of these. You can see those are both in and out ports. Very cool, very simple to use. And then the last thing that I'll say is it did come with these two adapters. So it does have the Type-C to the DC barrel connections that you are able to toggle 12 volt to 9 volt in case you do have those devices that require these. So like I said, they do send you with two of these as well as one Type-C cable to charge up the device or charge any of your devices up. So if you guys are looking for a new portable power station, guys, this thing is super lightweight but super powerful. As you can see, you can charge all your devices very quickly with those two Type-C 100-watt ports. So if you guys are looking for a new portable power station, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.